I've tested a lot of website builders, including some simple old school drag and drop builders, as well as the most modern AI ones. And I do have my favorites. So let me tell you about the best website builder options in 2026. All right. To not waste your time, I picked the only very best builders for you to consider. You can get any of them at the lowest price in the description. My first recommendation is Hostinger. It's one of the strongest options out there for anyone just starting a website, mainly because it combines affordability, ease of use, and performance better than almost any competitor. With one subscription, you can get reliable hosting, an extremely beginner-friendly website builder, powerful AI tools, and full WordPress support. You also get a free trial of Horizons. That's an AI web app builder. Okay, we are here to talk about the best website builders, and Hostinger is one of the smoothest and easiest drag and drop editors on the market, making it ideal for launching clean, professional sites very quickly. Plus, the price for what you get is super low, or actually just low for a website builder in general, because with Hostinger, you can build more than just one website. Besides, the long-term plans are a huge advantage over the competition. Having a 48-month deal without renewals kicking in is massive, as normally renewals are at least 4 or 5 times more expensive than the initial deal. The business plan is my favorite. It offers the best value because not only does it include more resources than the premium plan, but also all the AI features and full e-commerce functionality. So templates are clean and modern, and the AI-generated layouts work well as a starting point rather than just being a gimmick. On top of that, Hostinger Website Builder includes a large set of tools by default, such as AI features for the builder and WordPress, speed tests. The Cody AI assistant is great. It's got widgets and basic email marketing. There are some drawbacks, of course, such as limited third-party integrations and less than ideal native video hosting, but these are reasonable trade-offs at this price point. And if you ever outgrow the builder, you can just switch to WordPress Website Builder at any time, and those limitations are gone. Performance is another area where Hostinger punches above its weight. NVMe storage and Lightspeed servers deliver fast load times and solid stability. For e-commerce, Hostinger also stands out by offering 0% transaction fees, which does make it one of the best e-commerce website builder choices for small online stores. All right, so overall, the Hostinger Builder combo is extremely hard to beat for anyone launching their first website or small online project. Just don't forget to use my Hostinger coupon code by clicking the link in the description or scanning this QR code. Now, if you want more of that premium feel and website that looks just stunning, do consider Squarespace. It's a design-first website builder that really stands out for its polished templates and focus on visual storytelling, making it one of the best website builder for portfolios and an amazing choice for creatives and brands. The experience of editing and designing on Squarespace allows for a creative flow. Its award-winning templates emphasize typography, layout, and aesthetic consistency, which is why it's popular among photographers, designers, and social media influencers. Now, the Squarespace editor is incredibly minimal and user-friendly. It's polished to the point where it feels more like browsing a website than actively building one, yet it still gives you enough control to create a custom look without much complexity at all. So the platform also includes a suite of built-in marketing tools covering SEO, analytics, and email campaigns. Now, while its e-commerce features are not as advanced as Shopify, they are more than fine for small to mid-sized stores selling digital products or, a handful of physical items. Plus, there's a free Unfold app, which makes crafting social content really simple. So Squarespace is a great option if you're planning to build a strong social media presence alongside your site. Now, it might not be the best AI website builder. Yes, Squarespace does offer what it calls an AI website design builder, but to be fair, it's more of an onboarding and layout suggestion tool than a full AI builder like Hostinger or IONOS. And besides, third-party integrations are fewer than on some competitors. That said, for most creatives and small businesses, the combination of design, ease of use, and built-in tools outweighs those limitations. Okay, pricing is higher than ultra-budget builders like IONOS, but it's still reasonable considering you're getting a true premium website builder focused on aesthetics and and user experience. So if visuals and presentation are your top priority, especially for portfolios, creative projects, or influencer sites, Squarespace is your best bet. Just don't pay the full price. So I've got a discount you can apply from the description. So if you want a cheaper alternative, Hostinger is a cheap website builder, but really nothing beats IONOS entry-level pricing of $1. Yeah, it appeals to first-time site owners and small businesses on a budget. The platform is designed to give you everything you need to get online quickly without overwhelming you with unnecessary features or high costs. So this low price includes a free domain for the first year, business email on select plans, and a basic set of marketing tools. So the builder itself is extremely beginner-friendly. You can use AI-assisted prompts to get started quickly, or just go for the drag and drop editing. The templates are customizable, clean, and practical. Yeah, they don't offer the high design polish of more expensive builders, but everything is optimized so that you can launch a website in very little time. All right, so now performance and reliability are solid for the price. On top of that, IONOS includes some surprisingly useful business resources, including competitor analytics, which is a feature many other platforms would charge extra for, combined with built-in marketing tools and easy-to-manage business email. So the platform can support small business owners who want everything bundled in one place without breaking the bank. All right, now the main limitations are the lack of third-party app integrations and limited design freedom compared to other more established builders. And some categories of apps aren't available at all, so if you're looking for advanced functionality, this won't be the platform for you. Ultimately, IONOS Website Builder stands out for one reason: affordability. All right, it provides a solid beginner-friendly platform at a price that's really just hard to beat. Just make sure you use my coupon code from the description to lock in that crazy low introductory price. All right, that wraps up my Best Website Builder 2026 review for the most versatile, beginner-friendly option with the strongest price to value ratio. Hostinger takes the crown. But if your priority is a simple, budget-friendly start, go with IONOS. And if you are a creative and just want a visually stunning, polished site, Squarespace is hard to beat. Whichever of these best website builders for beginners that you choose, as always, discounts are in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.